Hello all, welcome back. It is Knitcrate day, though you know that because of the title and all that. But I just pulled it out of the mailbox. I am super excited. It's the 24th today. Normally I get it by the 12th, so I've been waiting for this bad boy. But they've had some issues with packaging delays and things like that, so I totally get it. But I am opening it for the first time right now. I have not taken any peeks. I don't know anything about it. I have my tablet up. I just turned my tablet on so I can hopefully look up the patterns on what people did with it. But anyway, okay. So here we have this, and the code is on the back. I didn't take a good look at this yet. So, let's see, it says Pop Dreams. Oh boy, it's showing makeup brushes. I might really like this. I love makeup. Oh, and there's a little lipstick here. Y'all, I love makeup. It says the music is thumping, the lights are flashing, and you are ready to dance all night long. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, I love this. I don't think I'm going to dislike any color. These are the choices for the Knit and Crochet Club. That's the sock club. I'm not going to dislike any of those choices because this is my favorite color of blue, this is my favorite color of red, and this I could just over dye. So any of it is worthwhile. Well, if it's, well, yeah, I could over dye it, because even if it's cotton, I can over dye it. Oh, I'm not sure which one I'm more excited about. I think I really want to get one of these two. I didn't. How did I know that was going to happen? Alright, so I got this colorway. This is a lot darker than I thought it was in the picture, but that's okay. So this is like a really dusty sort of rose lavender sort of. This is by Knitology by Knitcrate, and it's called Swirl. And this is called Coquette. Oh, that's the color, Coquette. It is 65% superwash merino and 35% Surrey alpaca, so I can over dye it. And I will be over dyeing it. It's a worsted weight, 225 yards or 205 meters. It's 100 grams each. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. Knitting needles are US 7 to 9 or 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter, and the crochet hook is US 19 to US I9 to K 10.5 or 5.5 to 6.5 millimeter. It's soft. I mean, it feels like a typical superwash merino. It feels nice. Yeah, it's really pretty. It has a really pretty sheen to it, actually. I'm kind of disappointed. I really would have loved one of those other colors, but that's okay. I can dye this the red color, or as close in proximity to that as I can get. It is really nice, but it's a nice color on its own. I mean, this actually doesn't look bad with my skin tone. I don't know, I might keep it. I might keep it this color. I'm not 100% sure. I like it though. It's nice. It feels nice. And then there is, oh, this is what I use on the yarn that I dye. Soak. I don't use this one. This is scentless. I use Celebration. But this is cool. I'm going to put this. I ordered a pack of these. There's like 6 packs of them ages ago on Amazon where it gave like 6 different, it was a variety pack of 6 different scents, so I could try them all out and see what I wanted to use. So I'll just throw this with that, and I think I'm gonna put these in, I don't know, I might start putting them in giveaways until they're all gone or something, but there's that. So that is cool. I really do like this color. It's growing on me. It wasn't what I originally wanted, obviously, but it is growing on me. It is a pretty color. It seems so far like I'm getting, so because I'm an affiliate, I don't get to pick my vibe. So it definitely seems like I keep getting the neutrals vibe, which, neutrals are not my thing. I like cool tone, I like warm tone. Neutrals are really not my jam. I don't wear a lot of, neutral colors, but that's okay. I mean, it can change. They can, maybe send me some other stuff later. It's not a big deal. I'm not complaining. I'm happy about it. I have a blessed opportunity to be an affiliate. And being a yarn dyer, I do have the benefit of being able to kind of manipulate and change some of this stuff to make it something I would want a little bit more if I didn't get exactly what I wanted. So that's a cool benefit. So that is really nice. It has a really pretty sheen to it. So spiel time. If you want a Knitcrate of your own, here is how it is currently working. The code link is not always working for everybody, and they are starting to phase those links out, is what I was told. And so the code is really where it's at, which my code is THRYSS, THRYSS. And what that will get you is $40 off of your first box. You have to be a new subscriber. So if you are on one email and have not gotten it for a while, coming back and trying to use that code won't work. So, get you $40 off the first box. And if you do the sock, or the Knit and Crochet Club, or the sock that pays for it in full, you just have to pay shipping and handling. If you do the fluff it and stuff like that, it takes a huge amount off of it. And then you get a 20% off code that you can use on any non-subscription purchase. So then if you stay subscribed, they clarified this for me. After you pay for your 3rd month, you will get another $40 code that you can use towards the purchase of either the next month's crate, a different crate, whatever. And that will be sent directly to you. I do earn commission off of you using my code. It's a small percentage that I get. And I really appreciate it because it helps to pay for shipping of my giveaways to you guys, and basically that, because shipping is so expensive. So there's that. I will tell you right now, while they're doing the destashing thing, you cannot use them together, because even though when you check out for the destashing event, and it doesn't appear that there's a code in there, and the code box is open to be able to put one in, you can't. It's a code that's kind of hidden in the background, and you can't combine them. I love and bless all of you for trying to do that for me. But yeah, it won't work, and that's totally okay. I'm trying to think if I have covered everything. I don't remember. I think I've covered everything. And then also, something I'm about to go do, if you don't know, The stash, you can earn stash points for taking pictures, taking videos, reviewing all of the things that you have bought from there, sharing it on social media, stuff like that. Do that because you get a substantial amount of points and then you can use them in the point store. So keep that in mind. Sorry, I took like a short little nap because I didn't sleep well last night and I woke up hard. Do you know what that means? Or do you know what I mean? Like I just woke up feeling really rough. Like it was a sudden jolt awake because it was a terrible dream. And I woke up all kind of like gunky and stuff. Anyway, so yeah, thank you Knitcrate, and thank you to all of you who have been supporting me and using my code and everything like that. I will put the code in the description box below, and again, it's just Thryss, THRYSS. I may or may not, I'm not 100% for sure, I may put the link down there too, just for those who really want to use it, but they are phasing those out, so I don't know at what point those are going to stop working altogether. Hold on, I'm going to pause you and see if I can look up the patterns. I forgot I was going to do that. So okay, so these are the patterns. I apologize for the state of my tablet. I think some little fingers got on it and they were sticky. And I didn't see it until now. So this is the knit pattern. It's really pretty. This is in the colorway that I have. It definitely is like a kind of feels somehow wintry, you know? Oh, that's a terrible view. Anyway, then this is the crochet pattern. They're gloves. So the crochet pattern is called Grape Soda Mitts. Uh-oh. What are we doing? Don't do that. Grape Soda Mitts by Janine Mudge of Capital Crochet. And the knit scarf is the X Factor Cowl by Louis Boria, or Brooklyn Boy Knits. And then here's the sock. What is it called? Sock Knit and Crochet Club. So here's the socks. The yarn on that was pretty wild. So those are the socks. Stroh by Ruth Brock, I don't know, I might be butchering these names, I apologize. And Nightlife socks by Liz Salazar, or Mommy Loves Yarn. So those are those. If you still want to get it, it is not too late. They didn't show anything with the blue pattern, or with the blue yarn. That would look really pretty in the blue yarn. This feels very wintry to me. I think these are snowflakes, or I could just be imagining that. I don't know. I don't make gloves really, so, and I can't knit, so accidentally, well, never mind. I can't knit. Ooh, that's a terrible view. I can't knit, and I don't make gloves. Where is the, there it is. So I won't be doing either of those, so I will be making something totally different out of it. What? I don't have any idea. Anyway, so I love you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.